Welcome back to the Rolling Robot series. If you just joined our series, we are creating this rolling robot chassis. In this episode, we are going to wrap up our motor corner by adding a sheet metal fender. We will use our assembly to make our fender. This ensures our fender fits nice and snug and the axle has plenty of clearance. Click the link below to download the necessary files to follow along with the tutorials. To create the fender, click the drop-down under Insert Part and select New Part. I will select the top face of the corner gusset to insert the new part. This places me in an active sketch in my new part. I sketch 3 lines next to my corner gusset. Next, add 3 collinear relationships to our sketch. Now add an equal relationship to the 2 end lines. To finish my sketch, I set the length of the outer edges to 3 inches. Now go to the Sheet Metal tab and select Base Flange tab. Set the end condition up to Surface and select the bottom face of the corner gusset. I could see the material is being applied to the wrong side of my sketch, so I flip the material by checking Reverse Direction. I want to use the built-in gauge table to define my material thickness. Select Use Gauge Table and pick Sample Steel Table. I select the 16 gauge from the drop-down. Click OK. Now I will finish the design by adding a cutout for our axle to pass through. Select the cover face that the axle is intersecting. Begin a new sketch on that face. I grab my circle and snap it to the center line of the axle. Set the diameter to 3/4 inch. Click Extruded Cut. Use the option Link to Thickness. Using the option Link to Thickness matches our cutting depth to the sheet metal thickness. Click OK. Exit part. Rename the part and save the part in an external file. I have completed my motor corner design. Save the motor corner and close the assembly. This returns us to our frame chassis assembly. Adding that fender finishes out our design. It looks great and guards our motor from any unwanted collisions. Join me next time as we take our completed corner assembly and use copy with mates to finish the remaining 3 corners. Thanks for tuning into this series, Rolling Robots. I'll see you in the next episode.